YouTube, it's your boy T Trucker coming back with another video. Today is the day, y'all. Today is the day that I reveal my truck to y'all, man. They done gave your boy a 2021. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I ain't gonna tell you nothing else. It's a 2021. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about this truck. Because the truck, I never drove one of these trucks, but by being in it, man, it's nice. It is really nice, man, and I know that y'all gonna enjoy it. So, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna walk back over here, and I'm gonna show y'all the truck. Let's go. They go ahead and switch me on over.
Oh yeah, cause they got to switch you on to the truck though.
Yeah.
You said they won't let you
I've been trying to get on to the shit, man. That shit won't even lock in. I love the truck, man. It just.
I told you, man. I told you, them international days, they know. Yeah, you got the newest one.
I said, damn.
Yeah, I got a 19.
Hey, but hell, that motherfucker, hey.
But yeah, that bitch don't ride.
They gonna look just like that one.
I know it. I like them bitches, boy.
Young fam on the track.
Back YouTube, yeah. Y'all see it, boy. What y'all think? Y'all give me y'all opinion. Tell me what you think about the new truck, man. You know your boy gonna be riding in style this time. You see it? But stay tuned. We got some more content. Right back. And we back, man. I just had to go do something real quick, man. But yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about the truck, man. And for all the people that want to come over here with Roehl transportation or transport, whatever you want to call it, hit me on the line. Hit your boy on the line now. I got you. I can get you in one of these nice trucks now. You got to hit your boy on the line. put my name on the application. I can't tell you over the YouTube, but you hit me down below, and we can talk. You know, a lot of people say a lot of things about companies. They say bad shit about Swift, which I know. Me personally, I don't talk about companies, but Swift, whoo, I wouldn't recommend that one. But Roehl, I think Roehl is a decent company, man. I think I haven't drove with them yet. You know, it's a friendly environment. They talk to you. They, you know, they don't look at you as a driver so far. If y'all been following my journey, y'all know I said the same thing with Heartland Express until Heartland Express double crossed me for YouTube. Y'all hear it? YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, they down to earth. And that's one thing I can say, the difference between Heartland and Roehl. Heartland, I don't know, man. I think they need to change some stuff at their company a lot. You know what I'm saying? Start looking at the driver as a prophet. Look at the driver as a human being. They got a family. You know, they want to be home just like you. You know what I'm saying? Stop getting on the driver case about YouTube. If the man ain't holding the phone in his hand, why are you tripping? You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's in the past. That's in the past. We move it to the present. You know what I'm saying? But, like I said, I want y'all to comment down below and tell me what y'all think about my new truck. It's a 2021 International, what is it? LT. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a good truck. Me personally, I ain't never drove an International, but your boy finna drive one today. Y'all hear me? So, I just wanted to come in here because I told y'all that I'm gonna give y'all an update on the truck. So, right now, I should be getting a load going home, but for some apparent reason, I can't log into my computer on my truck. So, I guess they haven't logged me into the computer. I'm gonna check it again in a minute. And once I do that, I'm gonna give y'all some footage going down the road, man. Going to the house. Hopefully going to the house. That's what I'm hoping on. I haven't seen my wife and kids since I've been here. I've been here since Sunday. It's all what? Tomorrow's Friday. I've been here almost 6 days. You know? So, like I said, you want to come to Roehl, hit your boy on the line, and I got you. Trust me. I got you, man. I got you. Oh, it was something else I was gonna say, man. I can't think of it right now, man. But y'all stay tuned to my next video. For all my new subscribers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, my channel, and every video that I post. And don't forget to hit that bell, because once you hit that bell, y'all gonna get good content like this coming to your phone every time I post. You dig? You know what I'm saying? I try to get make people laugh, even though I'm not a funny dude. But I just think of, different materials to put out, man, to brighten people's day, make people laugh. You know what I'm saying? And through this pandemic, y'all see what's going on with the world. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no, But I'm gonna get back with you.